Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Perseids over a Little Planet. So what do we see here? Well, this is a 360-degree panorama, all curved in to show us a planet-like shape. All the way around this would be the entire horizon as seen by the photographer. And up in the sky now we can see a number of different things, including a lot of meteors streaking across the sky. This is from the Perseid meteor shower of 2024, a couple of years ago, and shows probably 100 meteors if we look for all the faint ones here that occurred during the time this image was taken. Now, the Perseid meteor shower is a peak again tonight, and it's a chance to see a number of meteors, especially in the very late hours. So in the very early morning hours after tonight, and that is when we tend to get the most meteors, although you'll see some as soon as it starts to get dark. Now, this year's Perseid meteor shower is expected to be unusually good. Not for the number of meteors that will occur. You might see about 50 to 100 per hour, and that means about one a minute that would be visible in the sky. Now, that really depends on how dark the skies are where you are. The darker the skies, the closer you'll get to that number. The brighter the skies, you're only going to see the brighter ones and therefore would see far fewer of these. But the reason it's going to be so good is because of the phase of the moon. We are at new moon. So often if we see the Perseids near a full moon or even a gibbous phase, it's going to brighten the sky so much and we won't see some of the fainter meteors. That's not going to happen this year. This year we do get to see probably one of the better Perseid meteor showers, and we look forward to pictures for that one coming up over the next couple of days. Now, the Perseid meteors are not the only thing we see in here. We can see their radiant point up above the planet and to the left a little bit, which is the point from which the meteors appear to radiate. That is just because the meteors are following parallel paths through space and they appear to converge off in the distance. That's toward the direction of the constellation of Perseus, which is one of the constellations along the plane of the Milky Way. And you can see that the Milky Way there stretching across from that location up toward the top of the image and then curving back down toward the planet again on the right-hand side. And that is our Milky Way, our spiral galaxy as we see it from within. And we can see bright star clouds, we can see dark dust clouds, and we can see red emission regions of hydrogen gas, which are energized there. So not only are we seeing the Perseids, which are within our atmosphere, but we're also seeing parts of our own galaxy, including all of the other stars that we see. So the Perseids are peaking today, but also, as I said, it's a new moon, and it happens to be a new moon that will cause a solar eclipse. So depending on where you are in the world, you may get a chance to see a solar eclipse, a total solar eclipse running from about Greenland into Spain, so a lot of it over the Atlantic Ocean, but a partial solar eclipse eastern portion of North America to the western and central parts of Europe. So not only do we have that, we have an eclipse as well as a Perseid meteor shower that we'll be looking for pictures for over the next few days. So that was our picture of the day, titled Perseids over a Little Planet. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture. So until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.